guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. As usual, we will be looking at the BTC price action. However, before we start, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. If we're going to take a look into a recent next point of control that we had at around in this area, 41,500 and 40,500 levels. So we've been following this for some time. At the same time, we had a CME gap, and we filled the CME gap. At the moment, the price action at a very crucial stage. So in this episode, we will do a multiple time frame analysis by starting a weekly time frame. Well, we've got over 2 days to close the current weekly candle, and in the last episode, it was quite nice and beautiful green candle. However, at the moment, we're seeing a slight dump in the market. So in the last 2 to 3 weeks that we've been following the current price action, as long as I said, we're above 42,000, ideally 43,000 levels, weekly time frame will be out of the consolidation level. However, as you can see, we get right back into the consolidation level again under a weekly time frame. As I said, we've got 2 more days to close the current weekly candle. A daily time frame. As soon as we lost on the 26th of November with this candle around $59,500, $60,000, daily time frame started flashing a bearish signal, and we went heavily after this. We went heavily under the bear's control. However, if you're following me for some time, the primary short setup came at around 66,500. Ideally, high probability setup based on a mid time frame we had at around $63,000, $64,000. We had short setup. After we had a dump from 26th of November and retesting 59,500 again, that we couldn't claim that $60,000, we saw massive correction in the market. It was nearly 45% dump. If you shorted it, I provided this major resistance as well based on a weekly time frame as well as daily and 3 days. We followed via Twitter. I updated. I was expecting that this major support is going to hold in the coming days. So as you can see, we saw another pump in the market after we came right inside this major support. And from there, if you DCA'd, the BTC provided all the way up to 40% nearly profit. However, with the current price action, we had 20% profit. Based on a daily time frame, important levels are going to be support 39,500, 39,700 levels are going to be extremely important support. However, for the bullish scenario, as long as we're going to be below $51,000, $50,000, it is so early for us to talk about the bullish scenario at this stage. Moving on to a lower time frame, 4-hour time frame. Before we move on to mid and lower time frames, if you want to learn all these technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclasses available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market. And it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. I would like to draw your attention to these 3 Fibonacci levels, 0.678 based on a higher time frame as well as the mid time frame. And then these are the mid time frame Fibonacci levels. And then local Fibonacci level was at around 44,444 that I mentioned via Twitter in the recent tweets. So as soon as we came to 618 and 67 based on a higher mid time frame, we got a rejection. That was expected rejection. As soon as we broke $39,000, $40,000, 4-hour time frame started flashing a bullish signal, and that was a higher time frame Fibonacci level alongside with a point of control. And we had, if you remember, we had this higher time frame parallel channel that we took from all-time high, and we had again the lower time based on a lower time frame. As you can see, number of resistance, that was a local one, number of resistance 0.67, local parallel channel and a high time frame parallel channel, plus point of control and horizontal resistance level. After we came literally to the dollar, we saw another dump in the market. So the current condition of the 4-hour time frame is under the consolidation. As long as we don't lose the 39,300 level, then 4-hour time frame will be under consolidation in the coming days. If we're going to lose this parallel channel, highly likely, then the next level that one has to watch is going to be at around 37,800, which is a mirror image of this 618, the golden pocket. If we're going to lose this level, then the last level that one has to watch is going to be at around 34,400 levels in order to keep this bullish structure, and we may see a further consolidation in the market. However, losing 34,500 will highly likely we will lose this low, which is $33,000. The bullish scenario on the 4-hour time frame, as long as we're going to be remaining below $43,000, claiming without claiming this level, it is going to be a bit early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. Claiming 43,000 as a support, then 4-hour will start giving us a bullish signal. As soon as we got a rejection right from 618 and 67 high time frame Fibonacci, as well as local Fibonacci $44,444, I provided number of updates via Twitter that in the first place we're going to come, as I said, 40,000, 41,500 all the way up to $40,000. So as you can see, we had over 12% dump in the market, and if you're doing a leverage, you do the math with a 5 and 10 times leverage. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. As soon as we lost 43,500 level, 2-hour entered into consolidation, and we expected to hold level under 2-hour time frame all the way up to $41,000. However, as soon as we broke this level of 618, the price action, as you can see, trying to test the number of times with the 618, as well as this support level, the lower line, as well as the upper line became as a resistance, and we got rejection right from this resistance level at around 40,900 level. So at the moment, 2-hour time frame is heavily under the bear's control. In order to be bullish, in the next 72 hours plus, we have to break and claim this upper line of this resistance, which is 42,500, 700 levels, and then we might have a direction towards the upside. However, it is slightly early. We need to follow lower time frames, which are 30-minute and 1-hour time frames. For the market and instant updates, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.